Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best steering wheel cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best steering wheel cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Safe for dashboards, windshields, NAV screens, leather, vinyl, cloth, carpet, plastic, with dashboard trim, chrome, rubber surfaces to restore original OEM look that will not attract dirt or dust. Total Interior Cleaner is a powerful detailing package that can be used by pros and detailing aficionados alike to prep their car's interior for leather conditioning, fabric stain removal for your car's interior trim pieces. With just one product, detailers, weekend warriors, and car enthusiasts can now clean and protect interior surfaces to remove layers of dirt, grime, debris, fingerprints, grease, and oils. Chemical Guys makes products for beginners and experts alike. Chemical Guys products are professional grade to get the best results and are also simple enough for even a beginner to achieve immediate results. Chemical Guys is proudly produced in the USA. We celebrate the happiness of clean cars each day in our Southern California headquarters, as well as our detailed garage retail store locations throughout the country. Moving on at number 4. We have the Chemical Guys SPI_663_16 InnerClean Quick Detailer. Revitalize your car's interior with Chemical Guys SPI 22216 InnerClean Interior Quick Detailer. This all-in-one cleaner and protectant is designed to eliminate dirt, dust, and body oils, while providing a protective layer over your interior surfaces. It's easy to use, just spray, wipe, and admire the renewed, clean look. It's perfect for dashboards, door panels, steering wheels, shift knobs, and even navigation screens. The pineapple scent adds a fresh, pleasant aroma. Use InnerClean for a clean, crisp, and inviting car interior every time you open the door. Work safely on all automotive vehicle brands including Acura, Audi, BMW, Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Fisker, Ford, GMC, Honda, Hummer, Hyundai, Infiniti, Isuzu, Jaguar, Jeep, Kia, Land Rover, Lexus, Lincoln, Mazda, Mercedes, Mercury, Mini, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Pontiac, Porsche, Ram, Saab, Subaru, Tesla, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Volvo, and RV brands like Coachman, Integra, Forest, River, Newmar, Thor Motor Coach, Winnebago, Airstream, KZ, Keystone, and Midwest Automotive Designs. At number 3, we have the 303 Products Interior Cleaner. This product will clean and shine all vinyl, plastic, leather, rubber, metal, gauge panels, dashboards, windows, and door panels in your vehicle. You can also use this cleaner on any electronic device you own. We know touch screens are all around us and wanted to develop an easy cleaning method for them. Simply spray this multi-purpose cleaner on your LCD screens or directly onto a microfiber towel or cloth. Wipe dry and watch every stain and smudge disappear. This cleaner not only easily removes dirt, stains, and smudges, but it also cleans windows and glass without leaving any streaks or residue behind. Keep this product around to use on your windshield to reduce fog buildup. It is quite simple. This product will leave behind a spotless sparkle in all cars and trucks. .303 Automotive Interior Cleaner is not just for your car. It can also be brought inside your home and used on every screen from your laptop and computer to flat screen LCD television and any mobile device. Nothing is worse than looking at a dirty screen. Protect and clean your devices with this fresh-smelling detailer. Shake well before use. Product can be sprayed directly onto surface or onto a clean microfiber towel. Wipe or scrub surface to remove dirt or stain. Wipe dry with a microfiber towel. For best results, use regularly. Great for use on all interior surfaces, including vinyl, plastic, leather, upholstery, carpets, glass, and even LCD screens. At number 2, we have the Armor All Car Leather Cleaner Spray. Nourish leather with real beeswax and Armor All Leather Care with beeswax. Real beeswax for leather is blended into this spray cleaner to preserve leather's supple feel. Designed as a car upholstery cleaner, this leather spray cleans, conditions, and protects. The leather cleaner removes dirt and soil to effectively clean the grain. The leather conditioner restores the supple feel and rich beauty. Finally, leather protectant helps protect against drying, aging, and cracking. Apply the car interior cleaner to your car's leather surfaces to revive that luxurious look and provide lasting protection. And finally, at number 1, we have the Meguiar's G16216 Ultimate Interior Detailer. Clean and protect all the interior surfaces of your car in one step with Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Our Car Shine Spray is equipped with a powerful solution that safely cleans all the areas you encounter every day, including the steering wheel, stereo, navigation screens, dashboards, door panels, and center consoles. It leaves behind a satin-sealed finish that lasts for weeks, while superior UV protection keeps your interior looking better, longer. Our UV Ray Detailer Spray fights against fading, browning, cracking, and anything that affects the condition of your car's interior surfaces. Our professional-grade formula protects against intense sun rays anytime, any place. Don't fear the aging of your car's interior. The Ultimate Interior Car Cleaning Kit keeps it looking like new, without any residue left behind. Unlike other interior car cleaning products, Meguiar's Ultimate Car Interior Detailer will never leave a greasy, uneven finish. This formula dries fast, leaving a satiny sheen, and the durable results resist fading, so you won't have to constantly reapply for the best possible look and feel. This quick detailer spray is the ultimate combination of convenience, protection, efficiency, and effectiveness. This car care formula is safe and protective of all interior surfaces inside your car, so you do not have to worry about leaving any damage behind after each use. We provide a deep clean that has your vehicle looking like you just drove it off the showroom floor for the first time. Choose the lasting, damage-free, deep clean that makes it one of the best interior car detailing products Meguiar's has to offer.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.